Hello, you're welcome as we work out this month's Olympiad question. So let's now start with our solution. So on our solution, we have 4 to the power of k, then plus 4 to the power of k is equals to 40. So we are asked to find the value for k. So how do we solve the value for k? So the first one, we need to factorize 4 to the power of k plus 4 to the power of k. So this one can also be written as 4 to the power of k into 1 plus 1 is equals to 40. So we have factorized this. So when you work out now, the number that is inside the bracket is that 1 plus 1 is 2 is equals to 40. So from there now, we need to divide both sides by 2. So meaning that we shall now have 2. So now that 2 by 2 shall cancel. So 4 to the power of k is equals to, so 2 here once, 2 into 40 is 20. So 4 to the power of k is equals to 20. So for us to solve the value for k, we need to introduce the log from both sides. So we shall now have the log of 4 to the power of k is equals to the log of 20. So when we have, for example, the log of k to the power of p, this one can also be written as p, the log of k. So similarly, the log of 4 to the power of k, we can now have it as k log 4. So k, the log of 4 is equals to the log of 20. So from here now, for us to remain with k, divide both sides by the log of 4, this side also by the log of 4. So that log 4 and log 4 shall cancel, so that now our k is equals to the log of 20 all over the log of 4. So from here now we need to factorize log 20 all over the log of 4. So k is equals to, so log 20 can also be written as the log of 4 multiplied by 5, then into bracket all over the log of 4. So assuming that we have the log of a multiplied by b, this one can also be written as the log of a, then also plus the log of b. So that means that we can now open the bracket and say that k is equals to the log of 4 plus the log of 5, then all over the log of 4. So next we shall say that, so we shall divide everything by the log of 4. So k is equals to, so log 4, so all over the log of 4, then plus the log of 5, then all over the log of 4. So k is equals to log 4 cancel. So now we shall have 1 plus the log of 5 all over the log of 4. So when you have, for example, log a all over the log of b, so this one can also be written as the log of a to the base of b. So finally, our value for k shall be is equals to 1 plus the log of 5 to the base of 4. So now this one now shall qualify to be our correct answer. So we can still confirm it and see if it is the real answer. So let's now confirm the problem that we had. So we have 4 to the power of k plus 4 to the power of k is equals to 40. So in this case now we shall now have 4 to the power of 1 plus log 5 to the base of 4, then also plus 4 to the power of 1 plus log 5 to the base of 4 is equals to 40. So next we shall now say that 4 to the power of 1, then the plus shall means it is multiplication, then also 4 again to the power of the log of 5 to the base of 4, then plus 4 to the power of 1, then the plus means multiplication, again 4 to the log of 5 to the base of 4 is equals to 40. So here now 4 to the power of 1 is 4, then multiply by log of 4 to the cancel with 4. So now shall remain with 4 multiplied by 5 plus 4 to the power of 1 is 4, then multiply by, then log to the base of 4 cancel with this 4. So now shall remain with 5 is equals to 40. So what is 4 times 5? So this one is 20 plus 20 is equals to 40. So 20 plus 20 is 40 is equals to 40. So it means that we are correct. when we agreed and said that our value for k is equals to the log, our value for k, so our final answer for k is equals to 1 plus the log of 5 to the base of 4. So if you really loved how we've solved this maths problem, don't forget to subscribe to this channel.